friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with another interesting video on the topic why you must eat on a banana leaves. Eating food on banana leaves improves health and avoids issues like skin disease, constipation and indigestion. Most of the Indians as well as others who are interested in Indian culture are aware that there is a practice of eating in banana leaves in southern part of our country. They are also considered quite sacred and are often used for offering prasada to deities. Banana leaves are loaded with nutrients food. When served on banana leaves, gets enriched with several nutrients. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Reasons. Number 1. Antioxidant rich. Banana leaves contain large amount of polyphenol that are natural antioxidants. Food served on banana leaves absorbs the polyphenol, which are said to prevent many lifestyle diseases. They are also said to have antibacterial properties that can possibly kill the germs in food. Number 2. Eco-friendly. Banana leaves are much more eco-friendly. Not only do they decompose in very short time, which we all know most of the plastics do not, but they also save the extra time and effort of washing the dishes. Chemical-based dishwashing, soaps and liquids further enter the groundwater and could harm the water table in the long run. Number 3. Economical. Having food in banana leaves is one of the most economical and inexpensive. You do not need to worry about spending those extra money on tons of utensils. Just grab few banana leaves from the banana tree and you're done for the day. Just rinse the leaves with water and get going. Number 4. Hygienic. It is always a good idea to eat on banana leaves, as it is certainly more hygienic when compared to other utensils. Normally, utensils have to be washed using soap, and there are chances that traces of soap may still remain on utensils after washing. Those traces might end up contaminating our food. Banana leaves have a wax-like coating that prevents dirt and dust from sticking on the surface of leaves. It also adds flavor to the dishes that are served on the leaf. The tradition of eating food on banana leaves is not only a treat to the eyes but to the palate as well. So, the next time someone offers you a meal on banana leaves, roll up your sleeves and dig right in. That's all for today. Thank you. If you're still watching this video with me, then don't forget to comment, like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then click on the logo of StickyFacts popping up on your screen to subscribe this channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you receive the notification when we post an interesting video for you all. See you soon.